Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Mitsubishi Outlander XLS, stock reference number 3928. This shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 9th month 2009. It has a 4B12, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 4B12, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the lower front end. The bonnet has one small dent. Guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror has a small scratch on the side. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish. Upper tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish. Lower tailgate has a few scratches and gouges, still may be usable. It's got a tidy bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar, supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent, as does the right front door. Right power door mirror. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. You have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. All the interior area is a bit mouldy. Center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.